Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Zuri FX. So I went on a Wish app, and I always get stuff off of Wish app. So what I got was this. I mean, it's all in Chinese. So it's an eyebrow liquid tint, and we're going to check it out. And yes, it was only $1. And shipping was $1, so I got it for $2. And yes, it's from China, but we're gonna use this. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm back. I did my makeup, just a little something, but I didn't touch my eyebrows at all. So it's called Novo. I really don't know. I mean, it's just from China. So, and it was $1. But that's what it does. It like peels it off. And the reason why I got it was because it looks like a little wine bottle. Isn't that cute? I thought that was so cute. I was like, okay, I want my eyebrows to be tinted sooner or later, and I know who exactly to go to, but I saw this on Wish, and I knew it was only $1. So that's what I thought about. I'm like, it's $1, let me try it. So let's go on and open the wine bottle. It's pretty cool. It's just like this. It's kind of like stringy, so I'm trying to take the stringy out. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna need a mirror. Hold on. Hold, please. I need a mirror for this. Okay. Let's do this. I mean, what could go wrong, right? Alright, I'm just gonna apply it. Okay. It glides on pretty smooth, so that's good. But I need a little bit more on my brush. So I'm going to take it, set my little wine bottle down, and here we go. Trying to line up my eyebrows as good as possible and put enough product on so it goes like through my hair. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna have to keep dipping in here. I'm sure I got the color dark brown, and I know it's probably really for lighter skin, but we're gonna keep it on here for a while. Not a while. And I can't even read the steps because they're in Chinese. So I'm just gonna like try to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more here. Alright, let's try that. That looks pretty good, right? Let's go ahead and do the other side. So I did it, as you can see, my little wine bottle. And what I'm going to do, I guess, is just chill and wait till it dries, and I'll be back so I can peel it off. Okay, bye. Okay, so I waited about like 10 minutes. I don't know, it looks like it's pretty dry to me. It's still a little shiny, but to the touch, it feels very dry. So we're gonna go ahead and rip it off. Okay, I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna do it. Okay. I think I'm gonna just flick it out. Kind of just peel it. Wow, I freaking love it. Look at it. Ew. Oh my god, look at my eyebrow. I didn't even have to do anything. I didn't even have to use any concealer or anything. So happy. So I'm going to go ahead and take the other one off. I'm very excited because it looks so good. Okay, I'm just going to kind of flick it out here. I'm trying. There we go. Kind of just peel it off. Okay, this one is not that dry, but that's okay. So, okay. So we have one eyebrow that is on point, and the other one is kind of not. That's because it's a little bit too wet, so I still have some product in there. But overall, it is wonderful. It was only $2, and I know it's from China. Nobody's going to agree what I bought, but I bought it for $1, and I wanted to see if it worked, and it does. So I will give that one a thumbs up. That was a good buy from the Wish app. Please go to the Wish app and shop away because it is very cheap and it's a good place to try things before you buy the real thing. So, I'm out.